Entrepreneurs are essential in any economy because they have the skills and initiative to anticipate needs and bring good new ideas to market. Entrepreneurship that succeeds in taking on the risks of launching a startup is rewarded with profits, fame, and opportunities for continued growth. Entrepreneurship failure results in losses and less market presence for those involved. While the prospect of becoming your own boss and making a fortune is appealing to aspiring entrepreneurs, the potential downside of hanging one's own shingle is vast. Income is not guaranteed, employer-sponsored benefits are no longer available, and when your business loses money, your personal assets may suffer, not just the bottom line. However, adhering to a few tried and true principles can go a long way toward mitigating risk. The following are some of the qualities needed to be a successful entrepreneur. 1. Interaction. Every entrepreneur must be a good communicator. Whether a person is a sole proprietor or the CEO of a Fortune 500 corporation, they must understand how to effectively communicate with all stakeholders and potential stakeholders who have an impact on the business. An entrepreneur must be able to communicate effectively with employees, investors, customers, creditors, peers, and mentors. It is unlikely that an entrepreneur will be successful if they are unable to communicate the value of their company. They must also be proficient in all forms of communication, including one-on-one and group conversations, written communication, and email or online messages. 2. Sales. Sales soft skills go hand in hand with the communication required for success. This person must be able to sell anything and everything as an entrepreneur. Entrepreneurs must sell their business concept to potential investors, their product or service to customers, and themselves to employees. An entrepreneur who can effectively communicate is better positioned to sell their ideas and physical products. It's natural for entrepreneurs to be the first salespeople at their respective companies in the beginning. These sales abilities are required to demonstrate value to all stakeholders, both inside and outside the company. 3. Focus. The road to success as an entrepreneur is fraught with ups and downs. There are highs from successes and lows from setbacks. A successful entrepreneur must be able to focus in order to stay on track when things get difficult. One of the most significant risks that an entrepreneur faces is emotional instability. This ability is also known as thinking with the end in mind. Whatever difficulties an entrepreneur faces, a successful entrepreneur maintains the focus required to keep an unwavering eye on the end goal and can push himself to achieve it. 4. Learning capability. Learning is one of the most important skills to have in life, let alone in business. Building a business, on the other hand, necessitates the ability to learn. The ups and downs that an entrepreneur experiences are unavoidable. An entrepreneur must have a strong ability to learn as well as a strong desire to learn. If a person can learn in any situation, including failure, they have the skills to become a successful entrepreneur. Failure can help to broaden one's business knowledge and understanding. 5. Business planning. While a successful entrepreneur must have built a successful company, business strategy is the fifth most important skill that an entrepreneur must have. Entrepreneurs frequently achieve success in their businesses through sheer force of will. An entrepreneur can learn a business strategy on the fly by using effective communication skills, sales skills, a strong focus, and a high ability to learn. However, when structuring and growing a business, it is critical that the structure and growth strategy are founded on sound business sense and skills. A successful entrepreneur must have a solid strategy in place to take their company from good to great.